Hey, do you want to know how you can easily withdraw your money from Fiverr in Pakistan? If yes, keep watching this 18th video of free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. First of all, how to withdraw money from Fiverr. Fiverr basically provides three payment options to withdraw your money. Number 1, PayPal. Number 2, bank transfer. Number 3, Fiverr revenue card. The first option is not available in Pakistan, so we are not going to discuss it in this video. The rest of the two withdrawal methods, bank transfer and Fiverr revenue card, they are linked to Payoneer. Payoneer is an American financial services company that helps you to easily transfer money online and make digital payments. Now, let's see the methods to withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer. Method number 1, withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer via bank transfer. Method number 2, withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer via Fiverr revenue card. Now, first of all, we will discuss the method number 1. Here are the steps that you need to follow to withdraw your earnings via bank transfer option on Fiverr. Step 1, ensure that you have enough money available for withdrawal. Before you start the withdrawal process on Fiverr, make sure that you have enough balance in your available for withdrawal section. The minimum amount you can withdraw from Fiverr using bank transfer is $20, but it's best to withdraw your money when you have at least $50 available, because the minimum amount you can withdraw from Payoneer is $50. Here's how you can check the available balance in your Fiverr account. Sign into your Fiverr account, go to earnings section, check the available for withdrawal section. If you have $20 or more available, you can withdraw your money from Fiverr. Step number 2, create a Payoneer account. Fiverr identifies Payoneer as a bank account. So when you are using bank transfer method on Fiverr to withdraw your money, you are basically withdrawing to Payoneer. So for this purpose, you need to create a Payoneer account. I have made a separate video how you can create a Payoneer account to withdraw money from Fiverr. I have also made a video on how you can create a Payoneer account without bank account to withdraw money from Fiverr. And then I have made another video that how you can link your existing Payoneer account to Fiverr to withdraw your money. The links of all of these videos are in description. I have made separate videos for each of these topics so that you can easily understand the concept and you don't confuse the steps with one another while withdrawing your money from Fiverr, right? So you can find all the links in the description to understand the concept easily. Step number 3, withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer account. Once you have linked your Fiverr account to your Payoneer account, the next step is to withdraw money. Here are the steps that you need to follow. Number 1, go to earnings section on Fiverr dashboard, click the bank transfer button. Since your account is already linked to Payoneer now, you will receive a notification the money is on its way. Within a few minutes, your requested Fiverr amount will be successfully transferred to your Payoneer account. Now, if you want to know that how you can withdraw your money from Payoneer to your local bank in Pakistan, I have made a separate video on this topic. You may watch that video. The link is in description. Now let's discuss the method number 2, which is withdrawing money from Fiverr to Payoneer via Fiverr revenue card. So here are the steps that you need to follow. Check your balance on Fiverr. This is same as we have discussed in method 1. Before proceeding towards withdrawal, check your available for withdrawal section and ensure that you have $30 available. Yes, the minimum amount that you can withdraw using Fiverr revenue card is $30. Step number 2, get a Fiverr revenue card. Fiverr has recently introduced a Fiverr revenue card to facilitate sellers with an easy withdrawal process. Fiverr revenue card is supported by Payoneer and powered by MasterCard. You can use this card exactly like any other debit card. I have made a separate video on Fiverr revenue card explaining what it is and how it works and how you can order Fiverr revenue card in Pakistan. The link is in description. You may watch that video to learn how to get a Fiverr revenue card to withdraw your money from Fiverr. I hope you will find it easy to watch separate videos to understand the entire withdrawing process on Fiverr. Step number 3, withdraw money using Fiverr revenue card. Here are the steps that you need to follow. Go to earnings section on Fiverr dashboard. Click Fiverr revenue card option. Within a few minutes, your Fiverr funds will be transferred to your Fiverr revenue card. Now you can use this revenue card at any ATM in Pakistan to withdraw your money. As simple as that. Now, let's answer one of the most popular question, which method is best to withdraw your money from Fiverr? Now we have discussed both the methods to withdraw your money from Fiverr. You might be thinking that which one should I go for? See, both the withdrawal methods on Fiverr are secure and reliable. It's your choice to go for the one that meet your needs the best. With Fiverr Revenue Card, you cannot send or receive funds from other Payoneer card holders. But with a Payoneer card or with bank transfer option, you can send and receive funds from other Payoneer card holders. I personally use bank transfer method on Fiverr. Once the funds reach my Payoneer account, I withdraw them to my local bank. Right? Hope you got the entire process of withdrawing money from Fiverr. I actually made separate videos on each topic that we are going to that we had discussed in this video, so that you can easily grasp the entire concept without confusing the things with each other. Hope you liked the video. If you want to read in detail about this topic, I have made a detailed guide on my blog ashknows.com. The link is in description. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the ring button. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.